In this video, we'll see how to connect and deploy your agent on the voice channel. To get started, go to Settings, then Channels, and select Voice. Then click on Voice Configuration. Currently, WotNot supports Twilio as the voice provider, which means all incoming and outgoing calls are handled through Twilio. Start by purchasing a phone number from your Twilio account, and then configure that number here. Once adding number, add the other Twilio credentials, and click Save. You can also customize your voice configurations from this page. This includes selecting the voice, setting the turn timeout, defining the call silence timeout, and limiting the maximum conversation duration. Next, open your voice bot and go to the trigger block. From the drop-down, select the phone number you want to use for this bot, then click Deploy. Finally, make sure the bot is switched on. That's it. All incoming calls to this number will now be handled by your voice agent.